Hey guys, I'm Aaron. I'm in my garage again today to bring you another episode of Tool of the Week. Today we're going to focus on valve stems. I recently had the tire pressure monitoring sensors fail in my BMW M4, at least the ones in my winter wheels. So I took the car to a shop to have them replaced. I was really impressed with how they did it. I had never really known about how to do this before. I'll show you a little clip here of them removing them. They had two separate tools. One of them was like a little screwdriver to take the valve stem out, and then they had a larger one to pull the whole plug assembly out from the wheel. And they used a little piece of plastic to put up against the rim to make sure that that metal tool did not scratch it as they put the leverage against it to have enough force to pull it out. So that got me thinking, I don't have anything like that, so let me do a little bit of research, and trusty Amazon came through. I found this handy little tool. So what it is actually two tools in one. At the end of it here, there is a little valve stem screwdriver like they used. So you just stick this over the valve stem, turn it like a screwdriver, and it will remove the valve stem. And the other end of it here, you screw right onto the valve and it bends just like theirs, but this one is made out of plastic and it's got little grooves where it can catch on your rim. So you screw it on and you pry it like this to pull it out like they did in the video, but both tools in one, and this thing is really cheap. So I figured I should have one of these on hand in case I ever come across a situation where I need it. So I just wanted to show you that really quickly. If you are interested, there will be a link in the description. You can purchase one. Like I said, it's really cheap, nice to have on around in case you need it. It's always super valuable to have the tools you need when you need them. All right, that's it, guys. Hope you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I will bring you more tools of the week.